Hey, have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to communicate with somebody, but there's a little bit of a language barrier there? Got something in right here that is supposed to fix that problem, or at least help with it. This is the Smart Talkie Instant Translation. Let's get it opened up and see how it works. So we have a user guide. We have a small device here. This is supposed to hook onto the back of your phone. Just like that. And it does come with 2 magnetic rings and a USB charging cord. This guy's got the magnets on it, kind of like a watch. You just stick that on there like that. So you will definitely need to keep up with this. It has a software that you have to download to use it. So we're going to scan the QR code, get the software installed, and see how well it works. Oh, it looks like it does work with chat software too, right here on the side. I'll show you right here. Okay, you'll scan the QR code. First time I clicked Android and installed it there, something didn't go right, I don't know. But I've hit Google Play, hit install, let it install again, because I uninstalled it because I wanted to make sure what I was doing was right, and I wanted to hit the record button again so we'd all know. So don't take but a minute. We'll hit open, agree, go ahead and connect, hit allow, please log in. Here's where I couldn't get logged in a while ago because it was bringing up the phone number thing. Now it's showing up with Google login. Earlier it didn't to log in with. Now we're logged in successfully. Okay, this does have like 140 different languages, it says, that can translate. You have video call, voice calls, simultaneous interpretation, photo translation, face-to-face, and meeting minutes. Click the recording button to start. Okay, I am going to, I'll leave the screen recording going, but we're going to go in there to the computer and I'm going to put something on YouTube in a different language and I'll leave it going and we'll see what it does. So stand by. Click the recording button to start. So let's click the recording. Okay, I just found a podcast. Let's try this.
Hello，欢迎回到我们的 Sassy Podcast。
欢迎。
今天的节目要100%用中文讲。
今天是100%啊！
我们让你们在 Instagram Story 寄一些问题给我们，所以我们今天要回答一些 Q&A。
Q&A。
那我们会回答一些有关我们的事情的。
Okay, we're going to try this, see how this works. I had to pick the different language.
Personas de diferentes maneras. Y hay muchas cosas que nos dividen terriblemente, ¿no? Pero hay ciertas cosas que aunque nos dividen, es decir, unos somos de una manera y otros de otra, realmente funcionan porque nos complementamos y queremos enfocarnos en ese tipo de diferencias en este canal. Así que por eso vamos a hablar un poco sobre estos rasgos de personalidad, ¿no? La gente que es introvertida y la que es extrovertida. Seguramente tú estás en alguna de estas.
Now, as far as this device goes, I don't know. Okay, we're disconnected from it. I want to try something again. Let's check this out again.
Personalidad. Y aunque tú no lo creas, te voy a hacer un pequeño spoiler. Puedes un poco jugar con ellas, inclusive te van a servir, ¿no? Estas otras cosas que vas a aprender del otro tipo de personalidad de la cual probablemente eres.
That's interesting. Our Bluetooth device is not connected at all. Okay, that was interesting. It works fine when it's not even connected to this. So what is this for? I'm going to see if I can find out. Stick around. Okay, I found out what this is for. The little button on the back is not only to connect your Bluetooth, but it also will start and stop recording. Let's say you go to simultaneous interpretation. Just click that. You can just hit record. You don't have to hit it on the phone. So if you've got that stuck to the back of your phone like that, all you gotta do is just hit it. And you can also stop it too. Of course, on the phone, you'll have to confirm your saving or to cancel it or whatever. That is what that is for. Pretty cool. Oh, and by the way, if you don't have this with you, you can manually hit the button on the phone. So it works with this or without it, at least on Android. On the photo translation, when you go to translate, you can do it look like that. Take your picture, you can resize this, hit that, and then you can hit the little A with the little marks down there on the bottom right, and it'll open the screen up right there that you're seeing on the screen. And you can do the face-to-face. If somebody's wanting to say something to you in Spanish, I only know one thing. You just hold the mic button down. Te quiero.
I love you.
See how sweet you could be. And then you could say, gracias.
Thank you.
So either way, it would translate. You get the gist. Pretty cool. I do like that. You can do a video call, voice call, whatever you need to do. If you're just going to a meeting or something you want to record, you just hit meeting minutes, let that load up, hit the mic button, and it will start taking the notes from the speaker, and you can pick them up and look at the notes later. See, it will save it right there. When you get done, just click again to end recording, and you can save the file. Works really well. If you'd like to get yourself one of these, I will put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.